C8, bro. What is up, YouTube? It's 2.5 RayS. It's been like 5 months since I actually came out to autocross again, but I'm here. Today's gonna be fun because it is sunny, it's pretty out, and the STI is pushed in, which is a total different video I'm gonna do. But here to enjoy some autocross today. Got the homie, but I call him Ethan. Taking some pics for me today. I was speaking G-Notion. I think they are actually doing inspection over there. I'm not sure, but I'm ready to go, so we're gonna do inspection first. Yep. All right, hopefully you can hear me. Bought this chin strap mount off Amazon. Actually, it's off eBay. Why am I lying? Hopefully get a new POV for racing, so we'll see how I do today. Cool, it's actually on my chin, so it might be a little bit lower. Oh man, I sit kind of like this, so hopefully everybody can see. Definitely couldn't put it on my forehead. That wouldn't have worked. Also, this GoPro failed last time, which really sucks. I lost a lot of footage, and it was really great because it was in the rain, and I totally went sideways, and I caught it. It was on camera, and then it didn't corrupt the footage, but the footage was unwatchable. It was really stuttery, and couldn't use it. But it seems to be working today, so hopefully it works well. I'm gonna try to get another GoPro soon, but hope everything works great today. Woo, 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 woo. All right, this is heat 1 here. Oh, C8. I forgot to mention, this will probably be a review for the SPARCO L77 wheel too. We'll see how it does and how rusty I really am. Love the feel of the steering wheel. The steering wheel is awesome so far. I definitely, maybe it's psychological, but it feels lighter. Like, it feels like I'm definitely more maneuverable with it. Felt slower. All right, that was heat 1. I like the course a lot right now. I think for the most part, I actually haven't autocrossed in a while, so I think that's why I like it so much, is because I haven't done it. Getting back into it, and it was a lot of fun for that first heat. The course is kind of technical, but you know, it's fun in the straights. It has a lot of straights to it, and I keep going faster and faster, but at the same time, I'm making mistakes, but I'm getting faster time. So I think it's kind of a good thing, because I know I need to improve, but I'm doing better. So we'll see about heat 2. second heat is complete, and I'm pretty proud of myself right now. This is after the final lap of the second heat. I'm in the first group. I'm in 39th place out of the 88 people that are here. And so that was my fastest lap, was the last lap. I got 1 minute flat, 0.931 seconds. And just for relative terms, I'm ahead of an Evo 10 that also got a minute and 1 second, 0.059 seconds. So by the transit property, I'm faster than an Evo 10. No, but actually I think I'm really improving. Huge shout out to my buddy Matt. He was an awesome help with giving me tips. Thank you, Matt. All right, next for me to do is heat 3, and that's the end of the day. Awesome so far, but I think I can go faster. We'll see. Alright folks, that is all for the autocross event today. Ended pretty well, ended in 43rd place at a minute flat and 0.69 seconds. I was really happy with myself. Can't believe I beat an Evo's time, which was phenomenal in my opinion. Big shout out to Matt, thank you very much, bro. But I can't wait to come out to the next event because the bug is back, the weather's good, so I'm gonna be at every autocross until it is time to swap the car. Like and subscribe.